Hello guys, today I will be unboxing and assembling the APPS2Car magnetic phone car mount that I just purchased on Amazon. As you can see, it's a brand new product. Let's see what it has inside. So yeah, we got a basic user manual that you can go through later on. Some pads. These are sticky pads. This is the gooseneck. It's an adjustable gooseneck, and this part is the suction cup that basically will stick on your windscreen or on this pad. You also have for the gooseneck a stand that makes it more stable, that it doesn't vibrate so much. This is also adjustable, so you basically do it something like that. It also has a sticker beneath it, so it sticks to the surface. Here you have the magnetic part, the part that actually will hold your phone. It has this logo on it, as you can see, and basically the mounting points. Yeah, and inside here you have the metal plates to what the magnet sticks onto. So it works basically like that. Two different metal plates, one normal metal plate and one circle metal plate for phones that have wireless charging in the middle, so it doesn't intervene with the wireless charging. Okay, this is also a sticker that you can stick on directly onto your phone, and afterwards you stick the metal plate to the sticker so it doesn't scratch your phone. Also, as you can see, it's easier to take off. It has this little handle here. So yeah, now we will try to assemble it. In this demonstration video, I will be assembling and show you exactly how the magnetic phone car holder works. So you basically take your gooseneck. This part of the gooseneck has a suction cup. The suction cup sticks either to your windscreen or this sticky pad here. The sticky pad has on the underside sticking tape that sticks to your dashboard, and the upper side then will be sticking to the suction cup. The suction cup has a locking mechanism, as you can see here. It says lock, so you need to press down to lock. This is glass, so it will be working like your windscreen, so you press down and lock. And now, as you can see, it's really stable and stuck onto it. If you want to just unstuck it, you press the locking mechanism and take it from here, it's unlocked. The same goes for the sticking pad here. As you can see, it's stuck on there, so it's holding really good. And you can just unstuck it. The gooseneck has also a locking mechanism, a locking screw here. So when you have the desired angle, you just lock it in place and it won't move. To unlock it, you just unscrew the screw. And you have also a stabilizer. This stabilizer fork goes on like this, and it's like an extension that makes it more stable, and it makes the whole gooseneck that it doesn't vibrate anymore. The underside of it sticks as well. This is actually the magnetic parts. The magnetic part where you have the magnets. To assemble it and connect it with the gooseneck, you need to unscrew this screw here, and like this, put it on the gooseneck. Now you need to insert the gooseneck's head into the magnetic part here and put the screw back on and screw it tightly so that it doesn't move, like this. And of course the magnetic part is adjustable, like you can tilt it 360 degrees. And after you are finished mounting it and you found the perfect position, then you need a phone with a metal plate on it to stick to it. As I will demonstrate, this is a phone case that I use, and it already has a metal plate on it, but basically it's the same as this one. but also you can stick these metal plates directly onto your phone. And also you have a clear film tape here that can stick onto your phone, and afterwards you can take the metal plate and stick on it to not scratch up your phone. And if you have wireless charging, I don't have on my phone wireless charging, but if your phone does have wireless charging, then instead of the metal plate, you can use the ring, the metal ring here. So basically you can just stick it on like that, and you can basically charge your phone in this area if you have a circle charger like that. So it works both ways. As you can see, I will demonstrate here, it has a really strong magnet. It sticks really to your phones, and it holds it in every angle, so you don't need to worry about it. Yeah, so basically that concludes our demonstration.